Namaskaram, this is Sai Krishna in Love with Marketing. We're going to know how artificial intelligence is going to help salespeople. For that, we have to know what is that daily jobs that salespeople do undergo. It all starts with prospecting and doing research. Identifying and researching potential clients using various tools, databases, and networking platforms is very important for any sales profession. And they also have to stay informed about their industry trends, about their competitor activities, to make sure that even emerging technologies are being very much considered in revising their strategies. Following up leads. The leads that are generated by marketing activities like inbound marketing activities or website visits or events that are being done by marketing teams, these leads have to be followed up well enough. Collaborating with marketing team to make sure that the efforts between marketing and sales team or even the cross functional activities are in synchronization or well aligned with the sales strategy and the targets of the organization. They have to be well collaborated with the marketing teams, especially the lead generation and the lead nurturing processes have to be very clear between these two teams, and also they have to provide feedback on the kind of leads that are being generated or the sources of the data that are being used in the activities of sales enablement. Meeting clients. Salespeople schedule and conduct meetings with their prospective clients to understand their needs or discuss the solutions that they would be interested in, and also showcase the organization's products or services that are addressing the problem statement. Meeting clients. Salespeople schedule and conduct meetings with their prospective clients to understand their needs or discuss the solutions that they would be interested in, and also showcase the organization's products or services. Product presentations. They prepare and deliver product or service presentations tailored to the client specific requirement and also their industry specific. Pipeline management. Pipeline being one of the most important KPI of the salespeople. They regularly update and manage their sales pipeline. They also have to track the progress of the leads that are going towards becoming closed deals. Attending sales meetings. They participate in regular sales meetings to discuss the progress of the accounts that they are working on and also share their best practices or insights that they have come across, or even the changes in the strategy that they are adopting on the context. Sales negotiations involve in negotiating contract terms, pricing, and agreements with the potential clients to close deals and meet the revenue targets. Relationship building being one of the most obvious driver of the outcomes of the salespeople. They have to cultivate and maintain strong relationship with the existing clients or the prospects. That is very essential in not just selling but also upselling, cross-selling, and ensuring that there is a very good CSAT, that is customer satisfaction score. Sales reports and documentations. Organizations want the data of their prospects and the clients to be very clear and complete, to make sure that they are delivering very relevant and personalized experiences to their clients and prospects. And salespeople need to contribute to this objective by keeping the records of the client interactions, sales activities, or any updates in the organization's CRM or CDP systems. Closing deals is the ultimate goal of every salesperson. They need to meet their sales target and contribute to the organization's overall growth and also the revenue growth. Here are the list of activities where artificial intelligence can help salespeople. Prospecting and research. AI-powered prospecting tools can analyze vast amount of data to identify potential leads that can match with their ideal customer profile and help sales team prioritize their efforts and focus on high potential prospects. Tools like AI-driven chatbots, account intelligence tools, predictive analytics, and predictive insights help them in prospecting and doing research. Following up leads. AI can assist salespeople in following up with leads more effectively and efficiently. They can help them in reaching with personalization at scale, also automate their follow ups, also help them in augmented tasks like setting up reminders, lead prioritization or lead scoring, finding out the best time for mailing them using predictive analytics, and also behavior based triggers that will help them in designing CTS based upon their behaviors or activities. Collaborating with marketing. AI can empower sales team by synergizing with marketing team. They can help in making sure that marketing and sales team are well collaborated together, ensuring an environment of no silos. They help in data integration, marketing attribution or sales attribution, and AI-powered collaboration platforms. Meeting clients. AI can help in enhancing client meetings by providing valuable insights and also improve the communication through interactivity. They measure customer involvement in the meeting. They have ability to analyze the sentiments of the customer who involved, automated meets of meetings and follow-ups, and also real-time language translation that will help in more interactivity in the meeting. Product presentations. AI can empower presentations through high personalizations and interactiveness. Hyper personalization or customizable templates to design the presentations at ease, and also making sure that more interactivity is embedded inside the presentation. Pipeline management. AI can bring more visibility, predictiveness, and insights to the pipeline so that they can plan and prepare in advance with the course of corrections. It helps in sales forecasting or analyzing the deal probability and also visualizing the progress of the sales pipeline. In sales reports and documentation, artificial intelligence can help in generating the reports based upon automation or even based upon the data that has been entered, or even making sure that the reports or the documentation is following up with the complaints, and also collaborating all the documents from different platforms and sources into unifying them. This is how artificial intelligence can empower salespeople. This is just the beginning, and there's a lot to come ahead.